Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to join clips in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut. Import your project to the timeline. Once you are here, go ahead and delete the outro. Just tap on it and then tap on the delete button. After that, tap on the plus in the white box right there. Now tap the next video you want to add or you want to merge with the first one. Adjust it how you want and you are good to go. You have successfully joined clips in CapCut.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.